Today, I'll walk you through how to know if someone accepted your friend request on Snapchat, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to check your friend requests so you can connect with your friends more easily. First, let's open your Snapchat app. If you're familiar with the app, you know it's where all the fun happens. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the steps will still be the same. Once you have the app open, the next step is to click on your profile. You can find your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. This area is like your personal hub, where you can manage your friends and settings, so go ahead and tap on it. Now that you're on your profile page, scroll down until you see the My Friends option. This is where all your connections are stored, similar to a contact list on your phone. It's a great way to keep track of who you've added and who has accepted your request. When you tap on My Friends, you'll see a list of all the people you've added, as well as those who have accepted your friend requests. If someone has accepted your request, their name will appear in this list. It's like getting a confirmation that your invitation to connect has been accepted, a little digital handshake, if you will. If you don't see the person you're looking for, it means they haven't accepted your request yet. Don't worry if this takes a moment. Sometimes people may take their time to respond. To recap, we opened the Snapchat app, clicked on our profile, and navigated to My Friends. This is the straightforward way to check if someone accepted your friend request on Snapchat. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.